What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and this is going to be my final Curlbox of 2020. Yes, this is the December 2020 Curlbox featuring part 2 of Curls Unleashed. They had a Curlbox last year. I want to say maybe it was October of last year, and they had like 6 or 7, I don't even know how many at this point. Like, it's several stylers in this collection. And so that Curlbox had the leave-in conditioner style cream. It had the Curly Coil HD gel souffle. It had the Does It All smoothie styler, and it had a blue hair paint wax, gloves, and then it had pillow packs of the texture boosting curl jelly and the Curly Coil style rich cream. So, or rich style cream. So now in this one, what was a pillow pack is now the full size container. So in this box, in this December 2020 Curl box, it has the texture boosting curl jelly in a full size container. And then it has the Curly Coil rich style cream in a full size container. And then this one has 3. So your box would have come with 3 colors. Luckily, it didn't repeat color. So in my first one, I had the blue. I don't know the technical colors, y'all. Come on now. It had the blue. This one I got Peachtree, which is orange. Gold, which is Bombshell. And I got red, which is Sangria. So I like those colors. I'm glad that I didn't get a color I had already had. I'm dying to get my hands on, what's the name of it? But it's the aquamarine, y'all. I love a teal aqua moment. I need that. It's this color. If you got that and you don't want it, send it to me. But yeah, and it also came with a leave-in conditioner. So, and gloves again. I still got my pink gloves. I didn't use these last time when I was putting it in my daughter hair. Just lazy. So I'm so glad that I got these colors, y'all, because I have like, I think I'm going to copy somebody. Somebody's getting copied today. I don't know if it's going to be Ambry. I don't know if it's going to be, I'm copying somebody because I got styles in my head. I don't really know which style I want to do. I don't know, but I'm excited. So if you want to see my final Curlbox review of 2020 featuring Curls Unleashed, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I just finished shampooing and conditioning my hair. Now I'm about to go in with the leave-in conditioner. It's kind of runny, but it feels good. We'll see what happens here. Smells kind of grapeish. It seems to spread pretty well. Okay, so I'm going to be doing rubber bands over here. Okay, I'm going to go in with this. So far, it's not like sticky. Gotta get these postpartum edges in check. Okay, so far it's doing a good job of grabbing my little postpartum edges up. It's not too thick, not too thin. Okay, so I'm going in with some of the hair paint wax on my little rubber band sections. I did gold in the middle, red on one side, orange on the other side. I'm not going to do too much commenting or voice overing during this time because I have a video reviewing the hair paint wax already that I reviewed on my daughter, or that I used on my daughter. I used the blue one on her. All I can tell you is it's still the same for me. You're going to have to layer this, and you're going to have to do this on damp or dry hair. So I've already done a review on their hair paint wax. I'll insert it in the description down below. But if you can recall, I said that it is better to use it by itself because when you use product, it just gets it to slipping and sliding. Make that hair paint slip and slide like you from the 305. Sick. Now this one feels a little bit more smooth than the gold one does. Now, I don't know if my hair is too wet right now or what, but these are not showing up as much as I would like for them to be. Red gonna always, red gonna always come to play. You can't even see the orange right now. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, I really don't know if my hair is like, cause my hair is not like sopping wet, but it's not dry. I guess I would consider it damp at this point. So the color's not showing up as much as I would like for it to. I really think that this is gonna end up fading. When I did the Kobe Bryant video, and after I had tied it down and let my hair dry, you couldn't even hardly see it anymore. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some gel and just gel the rest of my hair up. Take some more gel. I'm gonna try to grab up some color. I just don't think it's gonna show for real. Like as I'm doing it, it's gonna show, but once it dries down, I really don't think it's gonna show. Okay guys, I'm back and my hair is pretty dry. It's a little bit still damp right here, but for the most part it's dry. It has a harder hold than I thought it was gonna have. And the jelly laid down my hair pretty well. I was worried that tying my hair down, it was gonna like transfer and you weren't gonna be able to see any other color. It's more visible over here on my actual hair than in my rubber bands. I don't like how I did my rubber bands. I really messed them up. We're just gonna continue. I have two things of hair. This one's longer. I haven't cut, well, this is colored. This is permanently colored. But I'm going to put some of the hair paint wax on here, on both of these as well. Now this hair is dry, so it should be better than when I was putting it on my hair. That's setting it off right there. That'll bust them up.
Oh my God. This all gold everything is the motherfucking shit. This all gold everything. Underrated. Hell yeah.
Okay, so this is the finished results using the Curlbox featuring Curls Unleashed with the 3 hair paint waxes and the 2, well, I only used 1 styler. I did not use the Creme styler because I didn't really need to for this style, but I will be doing another video using all the stylers. But yeah, this is the finished result. My hair is drying right now. I will say it's more vibrant when you do it on dry hair, which I kind of had already knew. It is more vibrant. The red is looking a little bit more pink on my hair. I don't know if it's because the hair, some of the hair, not all of the hair has highlights, but some of the hair does have highlights. And so the red or the sangria is looking a little bit more pink in person and on camera to me. The gold looks fine. It's kind of blending in with the highlights. And the orange, I don't want to say it's blending in, but it doesn't like just stand or pop out. So the main things you can see is the gold and the red, or the gold and the pink in this case. It does have a little bit of it makes a little cast on the hair, a little hard. Did y'all hear that? Even a little hard hold, but it's fine. It doesn't bother me or anything. It doesn't show up as much over here on this hair, which I knew because I was applying product to it. And I had already learned from when I did my daughter's hair that, is it my chair? Child, let me hurry up and get up. That gel, you see that? That's nice. I really wasn't expecting it to do like that. So I'm having to use that for wash and go or something. But anyway, if you've used your Curlbox, leave your comments down below how you felt about this Curls Unleashed box. If you tried the other Curls Unleashed box, How did you feel about it? If you tried all the starters, which one is your favorite starter? Let me know. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.